strongly believe that ESG should be much more than just a tick-the-box exercise. It's nice to read about it, it's good to write about it, but we as Robeco also want to fully embed it into our decision-making process. Equity investors tend to be more risk takers, so they really look for the opportunity side of ESG and find capital appreciation on the back of that. Bond investors are a little bit more risk averse, and basically they want to have their money back with a slight premium. But in the basis, we pretty much follow the same analysis whenever we want to incorporate ESG into our investment cases.
When we construct a portfolio and we take into account sustainability, we ask ourselves two questions. The first one, so how does sustainable development affect a company? That's what we call ESG integration. So we're looking into risks and how this affects basically really the financial profile of a company. The second question, how does the company then affect sustainable development? That has to do with the contribution of a company to society, so essentially with its impact. And here we look into the contribution to the UN Sustainable Development Goals or the alignment with the Paris Agreement when it comes to climate change.
The ESG issues that are most relevant really depend on the sector you're talking about. So for one sector, a particular ESG topic might be a risk, and for others it might be an opportunity. You can imagine that for an oil and gas company, climate change is really a risk. So the company needs to think about, are we still here in a decade from now? What is the risk of stranded assets? But for a company that makes wind turbines or is a biofuel refiner, climate change can be seen as an opportunity, as they have the opportunity to sell more products into the market in order to mitigate climate change.
Parallel between playing the piano and my work at Robeco is actually the analytical component. Playing the piano is quite an analytical exercise, next to, of course, it being creative, that you create music. My work at Robeco is also very analytical, but also creative, in the sense that it's about creating something new. It's combining the financial analysis and sustainability information into one, and thereby creating something new that has not been done before.